So I'm home alone and I really wanted to record a video, and I said I'm home alone, but this cat is in my room. So I want to make a video, so I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to try to do chhinkni, but I want to tell you a story. I don't know how YouTube appropriate it is, but I want to tell you about my girlfriend, because she's not part of the fetish community. Hold on, I'm going to put chhinkni up my nose. Okay. So we'll see if that works. So my girlfriend is not part of the fetish community, but she is aware that I have the fetish. And I've been really nervous to ask her to sneeze for me. But she asked me, she kept bringing it up in like conversation. And then she asked if, I'm sorry, I'm having trouble concentrating because my nose is kind of itchy. But she asked if she could sneeze for me. And so of course I said yes. And she has the quietest sneeze ever. Like I don't know how, she sniffs chhinkni and she sneezes like so stifled, so silent, so controlled. She's very much a person that likes control. Yeah, but it was really great and I was really excited. But yeah. And actually, my nose is getting kind of itchy as I'm finishing this story. I have my tissues and my clothing tag here. So just in case the chhinkni doesn't work, which I'm not sure that it's going to. Comment below if you think it's crazy that chhinkni doesn't make me sneeze. If you've tried it, I know for a lot of people it's really, really strong. And I don't know, my nose just, it doesn't want to sneeze from it unless every so often, maybe it will. If I have a cold, I think it will work. But I'm going to get going with this clothing tag because it's already 3 minutes in and I haven't sneezed once. So hold on, I have another one coming. I feel more. Ooh, I scared the cat. Oh, these feel really good though. Oh, these are really strong. Oh. Okay. I've lost count. And I used the clothing tag to get that first sneeze out, and now this has all been chhinkni induced. And they're really, really strong. Oh, okay. Well, I think I'm gonna call that like a pretty good chhinkni fit. So I hope you enjoy. And thanks for watching.